Morning guys, Dave over here at Ceramic Pro San Diego. Just wanted to show you guys this Porsche we just wrapped up. Nothing new to it, but what we did to this one, this is an annual inspection. So about 2 years ago, the client got some paint protection film done on the front, as well as some, standard paint correction and then some ceramic coating. But we just finished up the yearly inspection on this car. This is going on, he'll now be entering his 3rd year. Just want to show you how glossy the car still looks, how clean it is, especially with the paint protection film. Don't got really any rock chips down there or anything like that. Now this guy does take excellent care of the car, but this is the kind of protection that you're going to get when you do something like this and you maintain it. I would say that for 3 years, no wax, just standard washes, this car still looks pretty fantastic. Cool. Hope everybody has a good day.